Hi dear students, today we are come back to make another video. In this video we show you or we review greatest common factor or GCF in chapter 8 lesson 3 students. In this lesson we review greatest common factor, how can find a common and greatest between two number or more students. We have more examples. For example, we have 12, 18 and 15. The first time we need to find the factors for each of them. After that, find which one is greatest. Now for 12, the factor for 12, we have 1 times 12 equal to 12. 2 times 6 equal to 12. 3 times 4 equal to 12. So 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are factors for 12. And factors of 18 is we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6 because both of them equal to 18. And for 15 we have 1 times 15 equal to 15, 3 times 5. We haven't any number, so we are stopped. In multiples we find the multiples for 5 numbers, but there we have the factors. We need to write down all factors for each number, students. And I say which number is common. 1 also there we have 1, we have 3 and 3, but which one is greatest there, student? 1 or 3 is greatest. So greatest common factor or GCF for both all of them between 12, 18 and 15 are 3. Okay students, and now we have more examples. I say find the GCF or greatest common factor of 10 and 25. For 10 we have 1 times 10, 2 times 5, and for 25 we have 1 times 25 and 5 times 5 because repeated 2 times. I write it just 1 time, students. Which one is greatest common factor? We have common factor 1 and 5, but which one is greater? 5 is greater, so greatest common factor or GCF is 5. In this example, we have 36 and 81. We have 36, 1 times 36, 2 times 18 equal to 36, 3 times 12 equal to 36, 4 times 9 equal to 36, and 6 times 6 equal to 36. But we have more common factor, 1, 3, and 9. Which one is greater? 9 is greater, so GCF is 9, student. In example C, we have 8, 24 and 30. We first time find the factors. 1 times 8 equal to 8, 2 times 4 equal to 8, 1 times 24 equal to 24, 2 times 12 equal to 24, 3 times 8 equal to 24, and 4 times 6 also equal to 24. For 30 we have 1 times 30 and 2 times 15, 3 times 10 and 5 times 6 equal to 30. We have more factors for all of them, and we have 1 and 2 for all of them. We have 4 there. Also we have 4 there, but there we have 4, students. No, so 4 is not common factor. But which one is common factor and greatest? 2 is greatest common factor because repeated in all of them, all factors in 8, 24 and 30. So GCF or greatest common factor is 2. And now we solve the practice, student. And now we solve practice 2 at page 133, student. Question 2 say just write the factors for the numbers. We have 32. Factors of 32 we have 1 times 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8 is factors for 32. Factors of 55 we have 1 times 55, 5 times 11, and we haven't any number for factor of this number, so we stopped. And practice 12 say just write the common factors for each of them between 6 and 14. 1 times 6, 2 times 3 factors of 6. 1 times 14, 2 times 7 are factors of 14. But we have common factor, just common factor. Don't say great, just common. 1 are common, 2 are also common factors. In practice 22 say between 4 and 12 we write the factors. 1 times 4, 2 times 2, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4 are factors. Which one is greater? We have 3 common factors, 1, 2 and 4, but which one is greatest? 4 is greatest, so we write it 4 is greatest common factor. And now we have 5 and 25. 1 times 5 equal to 5. We haven't any number. And for 25 we have 1 times 25. 5 times 5 equal to 25 also. 1 times 25 also equal to 25. Just we write 1 times because repeated we need to just write 1 time, student. We have two common factor, 1 and 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. So we write it 5 is greatest common factor or GCF. Practice 24 say between 3, 12 and 18 which number is greatest common factor. The first time we write it the factors. 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3. We have any number is factor for 3. For 12 we have 1 times 12, 2 times 6 and 3 times 4 equal to 12. For 18 we have 1 times 18, 2 times 9 and 3 times 6 is equal to 18. We haven't any number, so we stopped. And now we have common factor 1 and 3 are common factor. 6 also there's common factor, but there's we haven't 6. For 3 we haven't factor 6, just we have 1 and 3. So which one is greatest common factor between 3 of them? We have 3 is greatest common factor, so GCF or greatest common factor is 3. I think that's enough for this lesson. This lesson is so easy, students. I hope you are understand what I say. Goodbye, students. See you in the next. Goodbye.